forecast with meteorologist Caitlin Moffitt.
Good morning and happy Monday. Taking one last check of the weather, and we have a pretty quiet week on tap, so I'm going to start down in the tropics as there is a much more activity happening this week than we saw in the past week or so. First storm being Tropical Storm Gamma. It's pretty weak, but still down in the Gulf Coast. Still setting up as it's kind of worked its way to the south, kind of turned around, and then now working its way north. Now, in that track working its way north comes in the next possibility for Tropical Depression 26. It has not yet been named as it is still far out into the coast. Of course, still not at strength, of course, to be named, but if it does become named, it will become Tropical Storm Delta. That's part of the Greek alphabet, and you'll notice those paths kind of connect, and then they, of course, aim for, once again, the Louisiana coast as a Category 2 hurricane on Friday morning. Still 5 days out, so if you have friends down at the South Coast, that needs to be something on their radar today as things continue to progress the next couple of hours. Here in the Northland, pretty quiet, especially for us in the Twin Ports. We had passing showers at about 2 o'clock here. Otherwise, Grand Marais seeing those showers taper off at this hour, and clouds are also starting to decrease from west to east as this warm front sets up pretty nicely across our region. Here's a live look downtown Duluth this morning. Current conditions about 44 degrees. Clouds are starting to break up. You can see the sun starting to rise about 7:05 or so this morning. Mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies as we start to see plenty of sunshine kind of make its way through behind this warm front. That's going to bring in a lot of warm air advection from this southerly flow, bringing temperatures into the 60s today, and we continue to see warmer temperatures come Tuesday. Partly cloudy skies from our next cold front, which will bring a little bit more cloud cover to the international border, as well as a 30% chance for a passing shower or two. Otherwise, temperatures in the mid-60s on Tuesday. A brief cool down come Wednesday as this warm front, behind the cold front rather, we see a northwesterly flow, so that will bring temperatures into the upper 50s, but high pressure settles in to bring us mostly sunny skies for the day on Wednesday. Time now for here on the Futurecast, you'll see by 1 o'clock this afternoon, clouds just starting to enter the region from that cold front that will bring a few spotty showers for areas north of the Iron Range as well as the international border. I think we'll stay dry here in the Twin Ports, but we will notice some cloud cover activity, of course, and then we'll see clear conditions and calm conditions overnight before Tuesday comes back and the winds will pick up once again. Still out of the southwest, though, so very mild conditions, but of course that chance for a shower Tuesday afternoon into the evening hours when a few thunderstorms actually could be possible as well. So today, expect a high near 63 degrees under mostly sunny skies. We will see a few evening clouds before we clear out yet again under mostly clear tonight. 44 up on the hill in the Twin Ports. Winds out of the south-southwest this evening at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. 7-day forecast, we've got a nice couple of days on tap. Not much rain at all in the forecast, even though we are nearly 10 inches below rain. We don't have a lot of chances here in the Twin Ports. Temperatures, though, very mild in those mid to upper 60s. Even Friday, counties to our south could see temperatures nearing that 70-degree mark, which after this week, I don't know how likely it is that we're going to see the consecutive 60-degree weather like we're going to see almost every day this week.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
It's very nice. After a brief cold weekend we saw, especially for up to the north, like you kind of experienced, very chilly temperatures up there. This is a nice little break.
It's beautiful.
Warming back up for a couple of days. Plenty of sunshine as well. So
definitely.
Really
so we have to make sure to take advantage of that.
Get your pumpkins,
sure to enjoy it.
you know, go see the leaves. Yeah.
Yes,
you know.
Great idea. Thanks, Caitlin.
Yep.